it's me Niharika, and a big hello to you from the beautiful city Auckland. Yes, I have traveled all the way to New Zealand from India on training assignment. It's so beautiful out here. Well, I am bringing you this session from Auckland domain, and it's just so amazing and peaceful out here. Now, I'm sitting in the woods and something just came to my mind because a lot of people these days love saying that I love traveling. Well, it is now a very common phrase that people use these days, right? But I'm sure that they do love traveling. But you know, what's my travel like? Well, my travel teaches me different lessons. Yes, I have learned so much. Well, you know, traveling can teach you more than a classroom, more than a job, or even a relationship that ever will. For me, the real world means packing up and leaving your comfort zone. You know, it's leaving your familiar safe place and experiencing unknown things. A new place, new people who may not even understand you. New customs. Oh my God, the list just goes on. Well, traveling is being in the real world. So in today's session, I am going to help you with certain things that traveling teaches you. So let's have a look. Well, the first one is depending purely on yourself. Sometimes we don't realize that how much people can influence us in our everyday life. Whether it's our family, whether it's our friends, whether it's your partner, whether it's your colleagues or your social surroundings. I had been putting too much emphasis on other people's opinions of what I should do and what I should not. You know, I used to not listen to myself. I used to not listen to my voice. But guess what? Traveling on my own was the first time I could really say that I am truly dependent on myself more than ever without feeling bad about it or having it to explain it to myself. I was just 19 when, you know, I went to the United States all by myself. It was like the longest flight ever. But since then, I am such a changed person. And that's exactly the reason why I say that travel has taught me so much. You know, being an Indian, and especially from a crazy city like Mumbai, the fast-paced lifestyle is inevitably exhausting. Well, waiting for anything, be it food at the restaurant, the long queues in the restroom, even waiting for your professor or your boss to email you back. Oh, it just drives me crazy. Well, the biggest lesson that I have learned through my travels and of course through my backpacking is that it's okay to wait and have lag time. And if something goes wrong, it's all right. Well, you will get help. Though it seems that way, that traveling isn't at all luxurious like, you know, the way it is shown in advertisements, the way the Instagram stories, they just look so glamorous. You know, your flight gets cancelled, your pilot gets stuck at the airport, or probably you just get a stomach cramp because, you know, you're not able to sleep well. So these are all things that you learn, and that is when I say that with travel comes patience. You know, be it any trip, there are going to be circumstances that you will face that are going to be difficult, where you will have to wait. But guess what? Everything goes smoothly later. It's definitely not an adventure if these things don't exist. So patience is truly a virtue, and you will learn to tackle the circumstances when they come while you travel. Hey, here's another thing that I learned from my travel. to leave your comfort zone. You know, people don't enjoy traveling because it means leaving behind what's comfortable for them. So whether it's leaving their group of friends, leaving their amazingly cozy air-conditioned room, their favorite food, their pets like their sweet little doggy, or just the mere fact of getting onto the plane. Oh, this is so stressful for all of them. But hey, come on, you need to expand your horizons. Once you do this, there is no better feeling than taking on an unfamiliar territory and making it familiar. All it takes is pulling the trigger and you will come home with endless stories. Yes, like my travel right here in Auckland. I mean, I can't wait to go back and talk about these endless stories, the amazing experience that I am having right now. Well, the next thing that you learn is to try new things. Well, we are going to be forced to come out of our shells no matter what. Doing what we are used to, the daily routine at home, well, doesn't always work when you are traveling. So, what do you have to do? Well, get adjusted. Pick up the language and try not to stick with what's familiar. Try a restaurant that serves the authentic food that belongs to that country. Avoid the touristic restaurants where you will get the same food that you eat at home. Take public transportation and learn the system. Every country has a different system, so why not learn it? It's not difficult. Well, yes, first couple of times you will be a little confused, a little nervous, but then you're going to be okay. Now, learning new activities is like an opportunity where you learn new things like hiking, sailing, flying in helicopter. You never know. New places, new opportunities. So try not to pass them up. Here's another thing, making friends with strangers. Now, if you are traveling alone, you definitely need some human interaction. And guess what? Every other traveler definitely wants human interaction as well. So when y'all meet, no matter from which country are they from, well, they would love to hear your stories and you will enjoy listening to their stories. So be it their stories, be it their opinions, their advice, well, you would really build up an amazing global network by talking to them, by interacting with them. And it's always beautiful to have friends from different countries. Well, it's one beautiful planet, but yes, we all are so different. And if we bond, then wow, that's definitely an adventure and a new experience. So if you are traveling alone, you will never really be alone, as there will always be someone wanting to tag along with any kind of activity that you are going for. So, travelers on public trams or travelers on the plane or travelers on the ship, you will meet people and you will interact with them. So these are the things that the travel have really taught me, and it will teach you when you start traveling too. And even if you do travel now, well, that's wonderful. But if you would like to understand that what the travel has actually taught you, then this session is great for you. In fact, do share things with us. I would love to read all the stories about your travel. And yes, do comment. Well, now I can't wait to explore the city of Auckland. I am so excited and loving this place. I wish I could just stay here forever, but yes, I do have to go back home. And I will see you soon with a new session. Till then, you take care and keep traveling.